Hi, I'm Jose Ponce. I've actually been to other SEO conferences before, being that I've been in SEO since 2012. So conferences are the lifeblood of any SEO, really. The networking, the tips, the strategies that you learn, how you're able to evolve your business. This is the first time I've been to SEO Spring Training, and I have to say by far it will definitely not be the last. So as soon as I can book the next one, I will. Just the lineup of speakers, the variety, speakers that I've never seen at other conferences before were here, and the information they were shared, it's so nice to get a different perspective. So by far, if you have the availability, even if you don't make it, come here, show up, get information, grow your business, grow just yourself as a person, really. So hope to see you here.